Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and look at this huge box I got. It's from, I think it's from Arteza. So let's go ahead and look and see what's in here. They did say they were going to send me some items to use, and they wanted me to give you guys a 10% off code, which is Beauty and the Stamper 13. And I'll put that code down in the description along with a link if you choose to purchase some of the items. You guys know I always use Arteza products, and I can definitely tell by the packaging that yes, it is. Let's see, this is the first one, and this is all I saw. I'm like, yep, I know that. Okay, this first one says Arteza acrylic colors. It's premium acrylic colors. I'm gonna have to open these, but first let's get rid of the big box so we can open these little boxes. This one is 24 fabric colors, so you can use them on fabric. And then what's this last one? Oh, okay, you guys, I've used the acrylics, I've used the fabric, but I have never used the soft pastels. 72 of them, premium soft pastels. So this is going to be cool. Let's open them and see what is in here. So I'm going to open the pastels first. I have used pastels when I was younger, like literally like very, very young. Maybe even younger than a teenager. But this box is heavy duty. I'm going to open that. It pulls right out. It's got this great, like, strong box here. If you are not yet subscribed and you are here because you like Arteza products or you like unboxings, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I will be using these products and showing you how well they work. Oh goodness, hold on. I've got to look. Okay. It looks to be one layer deep. I thought maybe it was multiple layers. How many? It said 72, right? 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I think there's... No, there has to be a double layer because here's the first one. And this is 36. So, and they come out. Oh, good thing I didn't take these off. They have these two little holders. I almost tore them off, you guys. I'm so glad that I did not, because now we've got another layer right here. And then when we pull this away, we're going to find all these other colors. And let's see, I'm gonna touch it with my finger. And let's see how one of these comes out. Let's touch this one right here. Which one did I touch? This one? So we'll do a yellow. Ooh, look at that. And let's do a pigmented one. Oh, that didn't come out dark at all. That's great. Now I just want to touch them all. Oh, that one's really pigmented. Okay, now look at me. Okay, so I can't wait. These are soft pastels. They're like chalk type markers. It includes an extra white and an extra black so that you can lighten them or darken them. And then I love this box. All right, what was the next one? The next one is 8 acrylic colors. You guys know I use the acrylics all the time, so I can't even wait to look at these. Let's see, what's Vibrant Essentials, non-toxic, and we've got the colors are listed right there. Got a frog in my throat there. And let's see what they are. Oh, these are These are nice and big. Look at that. Pearl Sage. Pearl Arctic Blue. Oh, this is pretty. Pearl Copper Gold. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? This one is Pearl Lilac. Oh, so I'm seeing a trend. It didn't say pearl on here, did it? It didn't. But they all seem to be. That's a Pearl Magenta. Ooh, Pearl Pink. I love the pearl colors, like especially in my pours that I do. Now these aren't pouring paints, but they are acrylic and we can turn those into pouring paints to use with their pours. This says Pearl Royal Purple. I know a lot of you love that purple. And then Pearl Raspberry Red. So lots of colors, 8 different colors. Throw these guys going upside down so they all fit in there nicely. And then the last thing we're going to do is look at the fabric paint. So I'm going to set that there. Did you see me? I got scared. I thought they were going to fall. So what I just realized is I was like, oh, why do we need that extra piece on those pastels? Keep the extra piece because that's what's going to keep those lids on. Because if it were to fall and that lid falls off, you're going to get like pastel chalk everywhere, right? Okay, these are fabric. Oh, and they come in like the acrylic type colors. There's some phthalo blue, but look at that. So these are all for fabric, 24 unique colors, permanent, washer and dryer safe, and non-toxic, which is, I really like that. We've got some titanium white. We've got some light gold. I'm not going to go through all the colors with you, but there's definitely some great colors. We also have, if you are an 80s fan, but we've got some great, here's the purple. Isn't that pretty? And then this is a silver. So there are some great colors, and I'm sure they have them. Yeah, of course they do. They've got all the colors listed right here. So there you go, you guys. I'm going to, again, put the link down below. I appreciate your support when you purchase from me. And if you want any Arteza products, please make sure you use my link. Again, it's right down below. And don't forget to use the code BeautyAndTheStamper13 to save 10% off your order. And that's going to be good until March 1st, I believe. Yep. So, all right, beauties. Have a wonderful day. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like to watch the unboxings or you like Arteza. And I will talk to you later. All right. Bye.